All right, let's dive right into this explainer. We're going to unravel the multi-layered history of Eastern Europe together to understand the true origins of its geopolitical and cultural divides. It's a genuinely fascinating story that bridges the gap between ancient empires and the modern borders we see on the map today. We're going to discover how choices made well over a millennium ago are still deeply impacting the lives of millions right now. To guide us, here's our roadmap. 1. Poetry, prison, and Byzantium. 2. Civilization versus the barbarians. 3. The shift to the east. 4. The myth of Kyivan Rus. And 5. Searching for Slavic roots. Let's get into it. Section 1. Poetry, prison, and Byzantium, the modern stakes. We're starting at the wide end of our historical funnel here, looking at the tragic and immediate human stakes of this cultural divide in the recent past. Take a look at this chilling quote. It brilliantly illustrates the high-stakes reality for creatives in the region, a reality that the poet Osip Mandelstam tragically confirmed when he died in the Soviet Gulag back in 1938. You know, in this part of the world, being a poet wasn't just a calling. It was inherently, literally dangerous. To put that into perspective, an estimated 85% of poets, writers, and literary critics in Soviet Ukraine fell victim to Stalinist repression in the 1930s. 85%. This devastating period is known as the executed Renaissance. It paints a really grim, solemn picture of a society where the state wielded absolute, brutal control over the minds and voices of its people. Now, if we compare neighboring communist regimes from the late 20th century, we see a massive contrast. Poland experienced a much milder system. People there could read books that were totally banned in the USSR. Warsaw even hosted a Rolling Stones concert, and the Catholic Church held massive influence, which ultimately led to the Solidarity Trade Union. Meanwhile, Soviet Ukraine suffered under crushing, severe totalitarianism. The Ukrainian dissident poet Vasyl Stus observed this closely, and he believed his people lacked the organized national pride that fueled the Polish resistance. And so here is where the modern tragedy connects to ancient history. Dissidents like Vasyl Stus and scholars like the famous Byzantinist Alexander Kazhdan both independently trace this brutal 20th century totalitarianism all the way back to a single 1,000-year-old decision, Prince Volodymir's adoption of Byzantine orthodoxy in 988. Stus argued this brought a despotic Byzantine spirit into their culture, while Kazhdan viewed Byzantium itself as essentially a 1,000-year experiment in totalitarian practice. Section 2. Civilization versus the barbarians. The ancient worldview. Let's see how this builds by zooming massively out to the ancient geographical realities that shaped these very cultures, way before any princes or poets. Think back to ancient times. The primary dividing line of the world was an east versus west. It was north versus south. The Mediterranean Sea down in the south was the undisputed cradle of civilization. We're talking rich in gold, silver, luxurious fabrics, libraries, and wine. Meanwhile, the lands to the north, around the treacherous Black Sea, well, they were considered the dangerous homeland of barbarians. The Greeks even initially named the Black Sea the inhospitable sea, just because of its perilous waters and the warlike tribes living on its shores. What's really fascinating is how the Greeks viewed those northern Scythian tribes through kind of a distorted mirror, defining themselves by everything the barbarians were not. According to the ancient historian Herodotus, while the Greeks lived in settled cities, the Scythians lived in nomadic carts. The Greeks diluted their wine, the Scythians drank their straight. The Greeks valued modesty, the Scythians draped themselves in gold, and in a massive fashion faux pas to the Greeks, they wore cloaks made from the scalps of their dead enemies. It was literally the ultimate clash of civilizations. Section 3. The shift to the east, moving the civilizational axis. Now we're going to trace how this ancient north-south civilizational divide eventually shifted to an east-west axis. How exactly did the map flip? We can actually track the movement of civilization and Christianity into Eastern Europe by playing historical detective and following a single physical artifact, the miraculous relics of Pope Clement. Exiled to the Black Sea in the 1st century, Clement was martyred. Centuries later, some of his relics were moved to Rome by Cyril, while the rest were taken all the way north to Kyiv by Prince Vladimir in the 10th century. By tracking these relics, we are literally tracing the path of civilization expanding northward. But the really grand geopolitical shift happened at a higher level. Emperor Constantine moved the capital of the Roman Empire away from Rome, to the Black Sea colony of Byzantium, renaming it Constantinople. Around the same time, the empire shifted from pagan to Christian. Fast forward a few centuries, and Islamic conquest totally transformed the eastern and southern Mediterranean. Because of these monumental events, that old north-south divide of civilization completely rotated to become the east-west divide we recognize today.
Which brings us to Section 4, the myth of Kyivan Rus, dismantling modern assumptions. Now we're arriving at the narrow end of our historical funnel, and we need to bust some major myths about the actual history of the first great state in this territory, the Rus.
Prepare to have your preconceived notions shattered, because Kyivan Rus is actually a modern historical invention. Seriously, a state with that exact name never existed at the time. The term was cooked up in the 19th century by historians just to differentiate the early Kiev-centered state from the much later Russian Empire centered in Moscow. It's very much like the term Byzantine Empire, which was actually invented by 16th century German historians for people who simply called themselves Romans.
And this brings us to a highly contested modern issue. Fighting over whether modern Russia or modern Ukraine owns the legacy of Rus is kind of historically meaningless. Why? Because Rus wasn't a nation-state at all. Nation-states are a recent 19th century invention. Early Rus was actually a multi-ethnic commercial enterprise, essentially run by Scandinavian Vikings, the Varangians, for profit. You can think of it as operating much more like the British East India Trading Company, rather than a modern country with fixed borders and a unified national identity. This whole situation perfectly captures the classic cycle of early empires, mapped out by the 14th century Arab sociologist Ibn Khaldun. The Scandinavian Vikings who founded Rus defeated the locals, but within just 3 generations they had completely assimilated into the Slavic majority. Their leaders even started taking Slavic names like Sviatoslav and Volodymyr. Then, exactly as the model predicts, they lost their internal solidarity, began fighting amongst themselves, and the fractured state ultimately fell victim to a brand new wave of conquerors, the Mongols.
Section 5. Searching for Slavic Roots, a linguistic cold case. For our final section, we are going to use linguistic forensics to solve the cold case of where the Slavic people, the core population of the Rus, actually originated. Since written records from that era are super scarce, historians analyze ancient vocabulary. And it turns out, the early Slavs actually lacked their own original words for specific dry land trees, like the beech, larch, and yew. They had to borrow those words from other languages. Furthermore, all their words related to sea navigation and maritime trade, also of foreign origin. This gives us a massive clue about their ancestral home. They definitely didn't live by the sea, and they didn't live in dryland forests. So, these fascinating linguistic breadcrumbs lead historians straight to a massive aha moment, pointing directly to the Pripyat marshes. Situated right on the border between modern Belarus and Ukraine, this swampy, river-dense region perfectly matches the linguistic profile of a people who knew wetlands intimately, but had to borrow words for dry land trees and ocean sailing. They were a long, long way from the Mediterranean Sea and its ancient civilizations. So, I'm going to leave you with this final thought. We've journeyed from ancient swamps and Viking trading companies to the tragic fate of 20th century poets in Soviet gulags. It all circles back to a profound realization. How heavily does Prince Vladimir's 1,000-year-old choice to adopt the Byzantine religion rather than Roman Catholicism still weigh on the fates of nations today? As you look at the news right now, ask yourself, how much of the modern geopolitical map is actually just the echo of ancient history? Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and keep questioning the past.